Ever since I was a child, I've always been fascinated with money and numbers. I used to play cashier games with play money and enjoy organizing and counting it. As I grew older, I realized that this interest aligned perfectly with accounting. When I entered junior high school and learned more about the field, I discovered that accounting is not just about numbers. It's about discipline, accuracy, and decision making. That's when I knew it. This was the right path for me. So I decided to pursue it seriously. Well, there was a time in school when I struggled to keep up with my classmates. I felt like I was falling behind, which really affected my confidence. But instead of giving up, I learned to ask for help, manage my time better, and focus on my own progress. That experience taught me resilience and humility. It also helped me become more open to collaboration and communication, skills that I know are important in any workplace, especially in accounting where teamwork and accuracy go hand in hand. I'm most proud of consistently being an honor student from elementary to senior high school, earning multiple academic awards. It matters to me because it reflects my dedication and hard work. It also shows that I can set goals, stay focused, and maintain discipline, qualities that I believe are essential success in both academics and a professional career like accounting. I see this job as a great opportunity to apply what I've learned and continue developing my skills in financial management, analysis, and reporting. Professionally, it will help me gain a real-world experience and strengthen my understanding of how businesses operate. Personally, I believe it will teach me responsibility, adaptability, and professionalism, traits that will help me grow not just as an employee, but as an individual to contribute meaningfully to another organization's success.